Patience Taught by Nature by Elizabeth Barrett Browning. Learn, said the earth, the quiet art of waiting. Seeds lie still beneath the ground, dark and cold and deep, yet spring does not forget them. Learn, said the stars, to shine without haste. Night unfolds slowly, hour by hour, until even the longest dark softens into dawn. Learn, said the river, to move without force. Stone by stone I shape the shore, not by struggle, but by persistence. So learn, O heart, to trust the unseen work. What is meant for you will come in its own time.